Welcome to this edition of Behind the Story with Business Today. Today we'll talk about something that's very essential for the country's economy. It's called business sentiment. Business sentiment is driven by confidence in the economy and confidence in policies. And Business Today does a survey every quarter with around 500 CEOs and CFOs to figure out where the confidence lies and whether people are really confident about the economy and what the government is doing or not. So this story on the survey has been done by my colleague Manu Kaushik, and we'll talk to him and find out what businessmen feel about the country's economy today. Manu, why don't you start by telling us what the overall feeling is about the economy now, as per our survey?
So it's not so good at the moment, Yeah, sentiments have actually dipped for the second consecutive quarter. There are a couple of reasons, as a reporter, since I'm reporting on the story, talking to a lot of people, and the sense I'm getting, there are largely 3-4 reasons which is bringing down the confidence level among most of the corporate leaders in India. Actually, if I tell you, the confidence level started going up from early last year, in the hope that there will be a stable government at this center, and it peaked in end of last year. In October to December quarter, it peaked to 62.2. It's actually a number we arrive, on a scale of 0 to 100. We started this survey in 2011, and the last figure, 62.2, which I'm talking about, was the third highest, since we started the survey. So you can sense, it was a remarkable improvement in the sentiments that we saw in the last year, end of last year. But now we are seeing, dip again.
So does the survey give us any reasons? Are there any reasons for this fall?
There are a couple of reasons which we think are the primary reasons for the fall. One, of course, is every corporate that we have surveyed have said that there will be a problem with availability of finance, especially in the next quarter, which is July to September quarter. It's going to be tough as far as availability of finance is concerned. And what I believe is companies with good credit rating, will not face as much issues as smaller companies. Yeah.
So, okay, that sounds a little depressing, but do you think things are likely to improve beyond that?
I want to touch upon some pain points more before I, show you some good things which we have captured in the survey. Not so good thing is, as far as investment is concerned, corporates are still not willing to make investments. If we compare this survey with the last survey, there's a remarkable dip in the number of people who said they'll be investing in the current financial year. So, which is also a not so good thing, about this survey. And exports is another area where people are not expecting things to improve, and which is we have already witnessed in the the export number which came out in April. It fell by some 14%, which was the 5th consecutive fall.
5th consecutive month of fall. And now the future question: are things likely to improve going beyond the next quarter?
So a couple of things have. Some people are optimistic about, let's say, rate cuts. So they are expecting RBI to, bring down interest rate by about 25 basis points, which is also been reflected in, surveys of reports of various rating agencies and brokerages. For example, Citigroup is one company which is saying that they expect 25 basis point cut in interest rates this fiscal, but they have a rider also if the retail inflation remains below 5%, which is achievable, but we never know.
Right. Thanks, Manu. So that was Manu Kaushik talking about business sentiment. Obviously, business sentiment seems to have dipped a little bit compared to what it was last year, and hopefully it will improve going ahead, given the steps that are being taken. And so, let's see, we will look forward to it, and you should look forward to this story in the next issue of Business Today. Thank you very much.